Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see Extrude Cut option. So select the face or plane to create a sketch. So create a sketch and make the sketch fully defined. Now go to feature and select the Extrude Cut option. Now we can see the blind option. Once you give the size of the Extrude Cut and click OK, now we can see the part get cutted. So again I'm creating another sketch with other face of the Extrude Cut. So now we're going to see other options. So whenever we select through all option, the Extrude Cut will cut up to the end of the part. To edit this feature, right click edit feature. Now we can edit the Extrude Cut feature option. So now we're going to see through all on both side option. So next one is up to next option. So if you select this option, it will cut up to the next end. So next one is up to the vertex. So if you select a point or a line that is the point of the vertex, it will be cut until the end of the point. So next one is up to the surface. So if you select any surface of the place, so it will cut until the surface. So next one is offset surface. If you select this option, using this option you can offset the Extrude Cut feature from the surface which you already drawn the sketch. So next option you are seeing up to the body. If you have two separate bodies, you can select the body. It will cut until the selected body. So next one is mid-plane option. So using this mid-plane option, you can cut both the side of the sketch. So you can thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel.